In the scope of sustainability, textiles are particularly important due to their commonality and wide range of use. We face a fast fashion epidemic in the U.S., where cheap, trendy clothing is produced in massive quantity and sold at breakneck speed. This overproduction has disastrous ecological and social impacts. Aside from labor exploitation, greenhouse gas emissions, heavy chemical use, fossil fuel expenditure, and general lack of awareness regarding recyclability are among primary concerns. A life cycle analysis compares the sustainability profiles of two natural materials, cotton and flax, and two synthetic materials, polyester and nylon. It is important to note that these fibers are often combined in apparel production for economic purposes, so finding the ideal material to replace all others is not black and white. Many factors are taken into account in the LCA. This includes raw material production, transportation, land use, fiber and fabric production, freshwater use, packaging requirements, end-of-life parameters, and production cost. These factors may be discussed in great detail, but for the purpose of brevity are summarized. Nylon and polyester's respective polymer synthesis reactions require fossil fuel resources that emit harmful greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. Both polyester and nylon are recyclable, but nylon is more demanding in energy requirements and is more expensive than polyester. Synthetics require less water and direct land use than natural materials. Conventional cotton requires heavy fertilizer and insecticide use, while flax is less demanding and is naturally resistant to pests. Cotton production also emits higher amounts of greenhouse gases, demands more energy, and requires significantly more water than its flax counterpart. Packaging differences of the raw crops as well as production costs also give flax an advantage over cotton. Unlike synthetic materials, natural fibers are not recyclable, but are biodegradable and may be incinerated. After detailed analysis, flax is the most sustainable fiber option. However, it is difficult to reform an industry as diverse as textiles, and social change is always daunting. As educated consumers, must make decisions that honor the impacts of our purchases and consider the well-being of the planet before overindulging in material goods.